Welcome to my channel, Living Linux. I always prefer to do as much as possible through a GUI, and perhaps some people will say that is not very common for the average Linux user, but I really hope that Linux at one point will be easy enough for, let's just say, average users, and to reach that kind of level, in my opinion, things should be possible to do through a GUI. So here I have my PineTab again, and I installed Mobian on the micro SD card. And luckily it's still developed, so at least up till now, once a week you can get updates. So here you can see that in theory it should be possible to update through the GUI. But what I sometimes notice is that when you want to download it, it will try to download something and it tells you unable to download updates. The following packages have unmet dependencies. But in the GUI you can't do anything about this, and well, you don't actually see which packages have unmet dependencies. So I'm afraid that we have to resort to upgrading through the command line. So this is a page from a wiki from Mobian. So here it says you can do apt update and apt upgrade. So let's see. You have to be administrator, or so you have to use sudo. So let's see when we do this. Oh. And just to be sure, putting sudo there again. And then we have to give the passwords. So let's see if this is going to work. So yes, we want to continue. And here it goes. And let's see. Well, meanwhile, I'll just close this. And I'll pause the video here and I'll come back hopefully when it's successfully finished. So see you after the break. Well, that took a couple of minutes, but it seems everything is successfully upgraded. So we'll close this. Well, I just did the software update, didn't I? Anyway, let's try to restart. See if it still boots. At least it's starting up now. I always wonder what these strange cracks and pops are. I'm just guessing it's the initialization of the sound of the speakers. So, yep, and the default password is 1234. Here we go. And now I assume oh yeah, it's already there. So let's click software updates, and it's checking for updates. And it says up to date, but it's trying it again. Ah, there it is. We're up to date. So apparently the update through the command line is more reliable than through the GUI. That's all I have to show for today, and I hope to see you again in my next video.